check out this GitHub page that I'm uploading daily. This can be a great resource for staying up to date on the latest AI developments and for quick refresher courses. Each day, I scan for articles and development papers and learn and convert them into short, animated explainers that interactively teach the information. Currently, there is an AI and machine learning, physics and mathematics, and symbolic AI learning hub, with plans to extend to algorithm developments and neurology research papers. Each tutorial is designed to be short, grasp the main concepts, and be completed in under 5 minutes. It is easy to find the source material in case you want to learn more. The main focus of the tutorials is to bypass the problem of sparking curiosity that long lectures or research papers have that often becomes a barrier of learning for those with attention span issues or visualization problems. Breaking things down to their fundamental levels and creating interactive tutorials for hands-on, visual, and reading to all aid faster concept learning. The whole system of assigning AI agents to monitor releases and organize, sort, and prioritize announcements is automated. Additionally, the pipeline and instructions to create these require minimum human-in-the-loop interaction. However, field experience and knowledge is highly recommended to tailor each paper. This allows both the central AI system and the user to maintain an up-to-date knowledge base. It's a two-part system and is the experimental step for developing symbolic AI. Learning in parallel with a system, but having it learn how the human learns is an important step in creating powerful AI teachers. By creating these systems in conjunction with high-context protocols, we can ensure a slow and steady ethical direction of growth in the AI field. There also is an experimental spatial audio entrainment environment one can experiment with. It has a tinnitus and EDMR experimental plugin as well. Use these tools at your own risk as learning experiments to jumpstart your own research. A HemiSync application is soon to come. Be sure to check back often because I update this daily. Contact if you want to implement your own automated search to lessen AI agent suite.